Merhaba, and welcome to Res World Travel. Looking to dive deep into the heart of Istanbul's historic soul? You've come to the right place. In this video, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey through Istanbul's Old Town, uncovering its most iconic treasures and hidden gems. Get ready to explore the magic of this ancient city, from bustling bazaars to magnificent historical sites. Hagia Sophia. Hagia Sophia stands as a breathtaking architectural marvel in Istanbul, a profound testament to centuries of shifting empires and faiths. Originally constructed as a Byzantine cathedral in the 6th century, it was the world's largest interior space and a technical marvel of its time, famed for its colossal dome. For nearly 1,000 years, it served as the spiritual heart of the Eastern Orthodox Church before its conversion into an imperial mosque by the Ottoman Turks in 1453. Its subsequent transformation into a museum in 1935 by Mustafa Kemal Ataturk opened its doors to all, showcasing a unique blend of Christian mosaics and Islamic calligraphy side by side. Most recently, in 2020, it was reconverted into a mosque, reigniting discussions about its multifaceted heritage. Regardless of its current status, Hagia Sophia remains an iconic symbol of Istanbul's rich history, inviting visitors to marvel at its unparalleled beauty and profound cultural significance. Grand Bazaar. Stepping into Istanbul's Grand Bazaar is like entering a vibrant, historical labyrinth, an essential experience for any visitor to the city. As one of the oldest and largest covered markets in the world, its origins trace back to the 15th century, evolving into a sprawling hub of commerce and culture. Beneath its magnificent vaulted ceilings, you'll find over 4,000 shops spread across 61 covered streets, each alleyway teeming with unique treasures. From glittering gold jewelry and exquisite Turkish rugs to aromatic spices, intricate ceramics, and luxurious leather goods, the sheer variety of items on offer is astounding. Beyond the shopping, the Grand Bazaar is a sensory feast. The scent of exotic spices, the glimmer of lanterns, and the lively chatter of merchants and shoppers create an unforgettable atmosphere. It's more than just a market. It's a living museum, offering a captivating glimpse into centuries of trade and daily life in Istanbul. Blue Mosque. The Blue Mosque, officially known as the Sultanahmet Mosque, stands as a magnificent testament to Ottoman architectural prowess in Istanbul. Completed in 1616, under the reign of Sultanahmet, was designed to rival the grandeur of the nearby Hagia Sophia. Its popular name stems from the more than 20,000 exquisite, hand-painted Iznik tiles that adorn its interior, predominantly in shades of blue, green, and turquoise. distinguished by its 6 slender minarets, a rare feature among Ottoman mosques. The Blue Mosque presents a breathtaking silhouette against the Istanbul skyline. Beyond its visual splendor, the mosque holds significant cultural and religious importance, serving as an active place of worship while also drawing millions of visitors worldwide. It remains a powerful symbol of Istanbul's rich history and the enduring legacy of the Ottoman Empire. Egyptian Bazaar. The Egyptian Bazaar, or Mısır Çarşısı, in Istanbul, is one of the city's oldest and most vibrant covered markets. Historically, it was the last stop for caravans arriving from the east, laden with spices and goods, which gave it its original name, the Spice Bazaar. Today, while still a haven for spices, it also offers a wide array of Turkish delights, dried fruits, nuts, teas, and various other foodstuffs and souvenirs. Its L-shaped layout and grand arched entrances invite visitors to explore its bustling atmosphere and rich history, making it a must-visit destination in Istanbul. Bosphorus Cruise Tour. This unique cruise offers an unparalleled perspective of a city where 2 continents, Europe and Asia, gracefully meet. From the comfort of your boat, you'll witness a stunning panorama of historical landmarks, grand palaces, and modern marvels. Glide past magnificent structures like Hagia Sophia, Dolmabahce Palace, and the iconic Bosphorus Bridge. It's the perfect way to absorb centuries of history and witness the dynamic pulse of contemporary Istanbul from its liquid heart. Prepare to be captivated by every turn of this spectacular aquatic adventure. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. If you enjoyed this journey through Istanbul's Old Town attractions, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more travel experiences.